Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Bridget, and I'm so happy to be here. Like, I've always wanted to be here. I'm so happy that I'm finally filming, and this is my first video. This video, I'm basically going to be telling you an overview of what the channel is going to be about. So this channel is basically going to be teaching you on like makeup, like the makeup trends, what you should do, what you shouldn't do, skincare products, a product that can help your skin look better, product that can moisturize your skin, that can keep your skin supple and healthy. And also talking about fitness, workout routines, and general fitness, general body fitness, what you should do, what you shouldn't do, leg day, arm day, tummy day, everything like. And also talking about hair, DIY simple hair that you can do on yourself, 5 minutes hair crafts. You could just do a thing or two on your head. So I'll be sharing with you DIYs and do it, DIY hairstyles you can do on your own in your house. And also we'll be talking about several other things, fun videos, we'll be sharing, like, share knowledge with ourselves. You learn from me, I learn from you. Yeah, that's basically what this channel is going to be about, and I'm so happy to be here. Like, that's taken me forever, like since I always wanted that. I wanted to start a YouTube channel, but then fear, I was scared, I didn't have the right, I didn't have the right facilities. But then even now, I don't even still have the facilities, but I decided that I'm going to start anyways, and will grow. Definitely I'll grow. This is my first video, my 7th video, my 8th video, my 10th video is not going to be like my first video. There's certainly going to be an improvement. I hope that you learn with me on this journey. I know this is going to be a journey for, like, as long as God permits. It's going to be it's a long time thing. I'm here now, I'm here to stay. I'm not going anywhere, by the grace of God, of course. So I am really happy. You can see I'm happy. Like, I'm so happy to be finally doing this. Like, please share my videos, share my content, share with your friends, share with someone that you think would like what I'll be talking about. When you share my content, when you like, when you subscribe, it helps me to know that, okay, actually what you watched, you actually got value from it, you learned a thing or two from it. It's a kind of encouragement for me to keep doing more, for me to get better, for me to try to improve. I hope you stick around. I hope you stick around, and I hope you have a good time. Let's share with everyone, and I don't know what to say again. So guys, see you in the next video. I hope you turn on the notification bell and subscribe, so when I drop a new video, you'll be the first to get notified. Bye.